In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to manually enable pairing mode for the Haylou GT5 wireless earbuds and then connect them to an iPhone 11 that's running iOS 14. Now, of course, if you have the iPhone 10, 10R, iPhone 8, iPhone 7, or any of the other iPhones, this model is compatible with these other iPhones. So it's going to do this, and basically if you took them out of the charging case and they don't go into pairing mode, what you're going to do is long press the touch controls on the both of them and hold it down until you see the red light, which means that they are now in the off state. So we'll go ahead and do that together, as we will long press the touch controls here together and hold it down until they both flash in red. Just wait for that. There you go. And this means they're both off. And the reason why you want to do this is so that you can force them to turn on at the same time and sync into each other. Then one side goes into pairing mode. So we're going to long press the touch controls once again together. And the first white light that you see for both of them, go ahead and quickly let it go. So we'll do that now. So here we go. And quickly let it go. You'll notice they flash like this, and then one side will stop flashing and the other side will remain in a rapid blinking white light, which means it has entered into pairing mode. And then with that said and done, you will now go into the main settings of your iPhone, then go to Bluetooth here, turn it on. It's going to start searching for nearby devices, and you should see Haylou GT5 appear within a few seconds. And once you see it, tap on it. It's going to run the connection process for you. It will tell you that it's connected, and then there will be no more rapid blinking lights on the Haylou GT5. And you're pretty much good to go, fully connected. And of course, as always, if this tutorial was helpful in any way, do like, share, subscribe, turn on notifications, and thanks for watching.